Changing your password for Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information remains secure. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including Apple Pay. Step 2. Access Wallet and Apple Pay. Scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. This section contains all the settings related to your Apple Pay account. Step 3. Tap on your card. Under the Payment Cards section, tap on the card for which you want to change the password. This will bring up the details for the specific card. Step 4. Select Card Information. Once you are in the card details, look for an option labeled Card Information or Security Settings. Tap on it to proceed to the password settings. Step 5. Change Password. Follow the prompts to change your password. You may need to enter your current password before setting a new one. Make sure to choose a strong password for better security. After completing these steps, your Apple Pay password will be updated. Always remember to keep your password secure and consider changing it regularly for added protection.